In this video, I'm going to show you how to top up in Pocket Broker. Now to do this, of course, you first want to open up your app and you want to sign into your account. And then you have two options. So you can deposit the demo funds onto your demo account or real money onto your real account, okay? So first, let's go over demo. So if you tap on your demo account up top, you can see you can switch between your accounts. I have a demo account picked up right now, so that's the one I selected. I have the top up button below it. So I can just tap on top up over here. And there we go, I can top up my demo account by adding funds. So I can go and enter the amount over here. I can do plus 1,000, I can do plus 5,000 or plus 10,000 over here. Super simple. You could also go and type it in manually as well if you wanna, and then simply tap on add money, and your money is going to be added and you've successfully topped up. That's the first way to do it. The second one is if you are on a real account, okay? So in this case, you have to deposit real money or crypto onto the platform. So up top, you have to select your real account and then tap on top up over here, or you could tap at the top left on your profile icon and then tap on deposit from here. Now, from in here, you want to select the deposit method. So we have like popular over here, and then you have things like bank and crypto and stuff like that. So there's a bunch of cryptos. If you're trying to top up using crypto, you have to tap on any crypto you want to deposit, and then it's going to ask you how much, and you can also tap in, of course, a promo code if you wanna. So here, I can see, as you can see, I can just tap on anything at the bottom, or I can go and type it in manually, and then tap on continue at pay at the bottom. Now from here, it's going to take me either to a Pocket Broker like this, and you'll receive the exact wallet address where you want to basically pay to, where you want to send crypto to from your wallet, or you basically will be directed to a separate portal where it's going to again show you the QR code and the wallet address as well where you have to deposit, okay? So something like Solana, it's going to show you in a different page, not actually here inside this interface, okay? So that's the first way, but if you want to use something like banks or something similar, you could also do that. You simply want to tap on either UPI, PhonePe, GPay, Paytm, or whatever you're using. And whenever you do this, it's going to ask you for the amount again, the first name and last name, and then you have to type in your phone number and your UPI ID. And when you do this, tap on continue and pay at the bottom. And this is going to take you to a separate page where you'll see all the details of where you basically have to pay, okay? So that's how simple it is to top up your account in Pocket Broker. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.